Karibuni to our room of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today we're going to make something very simple, very delicious, my favorite banana oats muffins. So over here, I'm using 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, that's totally optional, and vanilla powder. You can use liquid as well. Just going to mix this well. And for the bananas, I've got overripe bananas. You can use 2 or 3. These were previously frozen, so that's why they're wet, but the darker they are, the better they are. All right, so we're just going to mash them by using a fork, nothing fancy. And please make sure your oven is ready at 350 degrees. And I'm using half a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. That will work very well. And just mixing, and then we're going to add the egg, which is in room temperature. It's a very simple recipe, so make sure everything is ready like the oven I mentioned. And the oil, any vegetable oil, any oil that does not have any strong aromas or flavors, or even olive oil, half a cup, and then 3/4 cup of milk. I made a mistake and I used 1, which was, my muffins were too soft for a muffin texture, so use only 3/4 cup, which is 177 ml. All right, so once that's done, just gonna add the dry ingredients. Just gonna mix them well just with a spatula. And the muffin batter is not silky smooth like cupcakes. You're allowed to have lumps, it's fine. That's how muffins are. All right, so just gonna mix it well, and then I've used chocolate chunks. You can use chocolate chips, you can use raisins, or you don't have to use anything at all. You can use nuts if you want. That will work fine as well. All right, so I used about half a cup. You can use any amount that you want. And we're just gonna stir it just like that. Very simple. And I'm using a large muffin tin that gave me only 6 large muffins, but you can use the cupcake tray for 12, and that will work as well. But if you're using the cupcake tray, you'll bake it only for about 15 minutes. These are large, will bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. All right, so we're just going to fill them up. Please make sure that you grease them or you use a liner. And that's it. And these baked for about 22 minutes. As you can see, they're beautiful. You're just going to let them cool before you take them out. They were too soft for a muffin, but they tasted amazingly. And that's it. And just want to show you how beautiful they are inside. And thank you so much for watching. Please do join me on my next video, and you'll find all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below and on this very last page. Thank you.